Alright, I want to take a minute and introduce you guys to a car that I've had for a long time. About 15 years, and yeah, she's dusty and dirty and without a motor and all that good stuff right now, but that's what we're on here today to talk about. We're going to get Big Girl back in the shop. We have a motor for Big Girl, and we're going to start getting ready to put this thing down in this big old engine bay. Got the transmission in last night. Hopefully you guys have seen the other videos where I've been talking about some tips and tricks on the transmissions, but this is Big Girl. She's been in hibernation for about 2 years, and a beautiful car. Let me open this up, show you guys inside a little bit. Got the custom paddle shifters, got custom gauges, dash, all the goodies all the way throughout this entire car. But we took the motor out about 2 years ago for the little drag car that you guys see in the background. The motor that was in here was just way too much. We'll talk about the little drag car another day, but we do have that new transmission in there, or refurbished transmission. Hopefully it's all going to be good. Some of the parts are expensive, some of them are not, some of them are homemade, which I guess what you'd call redneck engineering, like the ducts pulling air into the radiator stuff. But this thing, just beautiful. Wild, crazy suspension up underneath of the car. Lots of time and effort put into this. You guys that are big old Mopar guys will notice that there are no torsion bars in here. So the torsion bars are out. We'll talk more about that, why those are out. She's dusty, she's dirty. We got to figure out how to get all this cleaned back off. You guys can see the amount of dust on top of this thing. If you guys got suggestions of how to get all this off or do it the right way, please let me know so that I don't screw up this incredible paint job. But let's get this car inside of the shop so that we can get the motor that we've been working on for some time drop down into this thing and see if we can get her going. Alright, so we've got a problem. We have to figure out how to get that car in this shop space, and it is uphill. It doesn't have an engine in it, and I'm pretty much the only guy here. So what are we going to do? I'm going to use a lawnmower, a Harbor Freight tow strap. I'm going to cross my fingers, and I'm going to try to pull it in here and at least get it up over the hump. Question, of course, is, does the Murry lawnmower have what it takes to pull it up? And do I have the ability to do this all by myself? So let's get started and let's see how far we can get. Let's get this Harbor Freight tow strap, 15 foot, 2,160 pound working load. Charger weighs a little bit more than 2,100 pounds, but they always underrate them just so you don't do stupid stuff like what I'm going to do, right? Right? That's the story I'm going to go with. Alright. Now we properly take care of our trash. Whew. There it goes. Alright, let's see. 15 foot. This looks like it's got a latch. Let's see if we can tear up this brand new lawnmower. Oh, it don't really go in there very good. Maybe we get a really big bolt and put it through there and latch it on the bolt like that. That might work out pretty good. So let's go see about putting this up underneath of the sway bar on Big Girl. Then we'll know how far we have to back up the lawnmower in order to get all this put together. Wow. Easy peasy on this end. Lots of stuff. Oh hell, why am I putting it around the sway bar when it's got a tow hook on it? Voila! Tow hook engaged. Alright. Alright, let's back the lawnmower up. Get a really big ass bolt that's small enough to fit through the holes. How do you do that? A big ass bolt that's small enough to go through the hole. I don't know. I think this one's going to be too big, but man, it'd be a good one to use. Oh yeah, that's way too big. Oh yeah. Way too big. Damn it. Is there anything we can hook on to underneath of here? Safely? No. Alright, is this bolt gonna fit in here? No, my big ass bolt is too big for the hole. Let's go get another smaller big ass bolt. Didn't make any sense. Alright, we may have found us a solution here. Found one of these little buggers here. I don't know what you call it, but I think it's going to go around just fine. Whoa, look at that. And then we can take this. Look at that. Maybe it'll work. Maybe it won't. We'll turn the lawnmower and give it a slight tug and see if it rips the whole back side of the lawnmower out or pulls big girl forward. Let's find out. Make sure you pull it up real nice and careful. Alright, so I think it's going to work. Let's cut this off and pull the wheel chocks out from underneath the big girl, turn the wheel a little bit more, and give it some more tugs. Oh, was it ripping the back of the lawnmower out, maybe? No, it's looking pretty good. Just need a little bit more weight over the tires, but let's see about getting this thing pulled up into the shop now. Straighten that wheel out just a little bit. Maybe that'll make that a little easier. Let's get back on the lawnmower and give it a couple of good pops and see if we can get her to move. Put as much in my butt. Got hung up by the lawnmower. So I don't know. Well, you guys can see. Hopefully you can see that the charger's going in and it's working just fine. So let's turn the wheel a little bit more. Maybe turn the camera so you guys can watch me fight and struggle getting it all the way in. I do have a friend coming over to help do the final adjustments if needed, but this may work out just fine and dandy with a lawnmower. Now I'm not going to try to get it all the way in because my friend is coming over. We're just going to try to, we as in like me, myself, and I, we're going to try to pull it up and get it at least maybe on the pavement, and then we can kind of wiggle around and get it all the way, the rest of the way in. So, sweetheart, we'll get you in there. Again, if you guys know of a good way to get all this dust off without scratching the paint, please comment below and let me know, because I don't know. Let's get this lawnmower fired up again. Pull her in some more. Hell yeah, that's the way you do it. she's up on the concrete. Let's get a wheel chock or two behind her. What I call redneck wheel chop, which is just a 2x4. Or this, no, I got 2x4s. Okay. Thought I was going to get all kinds of fancy with like 4x4s or something, but no, I got 2x4s. We'll toss a couple of those up underneath. We'll disconnect the lawnmower. We'll wait on the friend to show up because I phoned a friend, and then we'll get her in the rest of the way and get her all lined up right. Man, woo-hoo. So excited about getting this project back on the road again. So be right back. This worked out really well with the strap and stuff. Oh, going right into the tow hook that's on the QA1 cross member. Of course, one-handed trying to get this up. There we go. Now that it's a proven good use, we may want to throw this in the race car trailer for just in case days. But everything else that we're done with, we're going to put it the right way. And let's get the car inside. Now, everything on this whole front end of this car is fiberglass, including the bumper brackets. Same thing on the back. The back is all fiberglass also, so it's really kind of hard to find a place to push on it. So I was kind of hoping for some help, but we'll see if we can maybe give it a little bit of yeah. Okay, nope. I think we're gonna have to go back to the strap and the lawnmower, because that is too heavy. Let's get the lawnmower back in here with our Harbor Freight strap, shorten the strap up, wait for our friend maybe, or try to pull it back in, but clearly can't do it on my own. Can't just push it. So let's get the strap onto it and get it pulled in. Alrighty, okie dokie, cool beans. We got the lawnmower over here. We got our fancy dancy tow strap. And we're gonna have to double this around 3 or 4 times to make it short. So let's see how that's gonna work. Not really sure. Hey, there's a little critter on the ground. I'm gonna lay down on the critter. Alright, let's see how we're gonna make this work. Yeah. Alright, if we come around on the same hill, how are we gonna do here? We need this really short, so can I run that through there? I can. Alright, that's good, that's good. Come back. Hook on the other strap and hook. I almost bent down a little bit more. I wonder why. So now the question is, how do I do that? I don't know. I guess I could loop it around the cross member a whole bunch of times. That'd be a whole bunch. I'm afraid of tying that thing in a knot doing that. Oh yeah, that thing wouldn't come off then. What if we go ahead and go back? Oh, the other part of the cross member. Why do you make sounds when we get older? Why do we do that? You know, it's like, that hurt. I don't like that. Why do we do that? Why do we do this? I don't think that's gonna help me much. I'm gonna go one more time over just for the hell of it. Oh, there we go. Spread it out and then hook and latch. It's not too bad. Oh, I'm showing you guys my belly. Sorry about that. Not meaning to. It's just old man things. All right, let's see. Yes. I think that's gonna get us in. I do think that's gonna get me inside. So, but getting this close to inside of the shop and how important this thing is to me, I am absolutely gonna wait on my friend to come over. You guys will meet her here in a little bit, but pulling this in this tight, this close, I gotta have somebody on the brakes, somebody that can guide it in. We'll get it in close enough, and then we'll start doing the whole putting the motor in. I've been telling everybody all day long about my friend coming over.
Why? I wish I would have worn a Cars t-shirt.
I did. Cars and coffee.
Mine says run laps, take naps. Okay.
Run laps, take naps. Well, I mean, laps could be racing.
Hey!
This is Deb.
Yeah.
She's you're my friend. You're gonna help pull big girl in today because we don't want to crash it, pulling it into the shop. Gonna put the new motor in it. They can barely see the motor. We'll have to show them.
Motor is cool.
It is a cool motor. You got a cool car.
I do have a cool car.
What year Mustang?
2014.
2000.
The Black Widow.
Signed by Jack.
Jack Rash a couple times, yeah.
A couple times. Yep.
Yeah.
All right. Let's.
You ready?
Fire the lawn. The lawnmower's almost out of gas, so if it dies, we'll have to go put gas in it.
Okay.
I got gas though. I have Jimmy rigged or redneck engineered or whatever you want to call it. My Harbor Freight tow strap.
Alrighty.
So this should be interesting. Keep your foot on the brake.
Keep my foot on the brake.
Please.
If I can reach the brake.
You can. I'll get you a 2x4 if we need to put
Where's
a 2x4.
my stool?
We'll put a 2x4 in there if we need to.
Okay.
You should be able to. It's already unlocked. Of course, you know, we don't want to hit anything.
Here we go.
Right?
Yep.
You good?
Yeah, do I need to... Okay.
You good?
We're good.
Right. Just keep it between the door lines, right?
Yes, sir.
And, woohoo!
Here we go.
Well, hold on. Stupid
Guess I don't need to watch
safeties
my
won't let me
gauges.
start it in reverse.
Lawnmower needs
Let
more
out the
time.
brake.
It's off. Brake is off.
Whoops. I can't go.
And he runs into the wall.
Okay, I can't go any farther forward. I found the wall. All right, hold your foot on the brake, and
Foot's on the brake.
I'll get my fancy wheel chock here.
We're going to have to push it the rest of the way in.
Yeah, we're gonna push it the rest of the way in. All right, redneck wheel stop engaged.
All right, we're good.
All right, let me. Now I gotta figure out how to get the lawnmower out of here without hitting anything. Gonna have to. I don't know. Damn it! Nah, damn it! I gotta get on the ground. No.
That's what she said.
All right. Oh, probably showing everybody my butt, sticking my butt up in the air.
That might get more views.
Yeah.
Or not.
My introduction to OnlyFans account. Check out my butt. All right, let's see. Nobody wants to see an old man butt, that's for sure. All right, let's see if I can get this undone.
Oh, you'd be surprised.
Maybe I should look into it. I mean, more car parts, right? That's what it's all about. That's what it's all about is more. How many car parts can you buy?
That's correct.
Do what?
I said, that's correct.
I took a whole bunch of scrap metal and sold it, you know, on my week of vacation. And I was like, oh man, I just made like $150. And then I thought to myself, no, whenever I originally bought all that stuff, it was like $300. So I just recouped $150.
Gotta look for a bright side.
That's a car folk math right there. You know, we buy stuff, sell it, and then use that money to buy more
Barter.
stuff.
And it's all in your own head.
How do we get this thing out of here? All right. And here's the tricky and hard part about it. You can't push anywhere on the car. It's all fiberglass. All right, I'm gonna take this out.
Maybe we should move it first.
Go ahead and get in and set on the brake. And I'll take the wheel chock out. Because there is one spot in the back I can push. I know where it's at.
Okay,
you got your foot on the brake?
Foot's on the brake.
Redneck wheel chock out of the way. Are you ready?
Ready.
All right, I'm going. Let go. Ah!
Go.
Hernia.
Push.
No, that didn't work.
Foot's on the brake.
You ready? One more time. 1, 2,
Okay,
3,
go.
go!
Go! You can do it! No, you can't.
All right, let me try this again. Oh. Hold on.
It's just a little hill.
It's just a little here. Is everybody seeing me trying to die out there? Yeah, I think so. Old man trying to get a hernia here going on.
Don't do that.
Turn the wheel just a little bit more straight. It might help.
I don't want to hit that chain.
No. I want to get up over this little hump right here. All right, let go of the brake.
Okay.
I'm gonna let it go back on purpose, just a little bit.
Okay.
All right, here we go. I'm gonna go forward. Oh my god! Oh my god!
Go, 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 go! Oh, he's gonna make it! Nope!
Ah, no!
Go!
Ah,
Go!
brake!
Break.
Oh! Slight hernia in
the...
the lower neck section. Hang on just a moment.
I better brush up on my CPR skills.
Yeah, not good. Oh god!
Shush.
Yeah. I think I did pull my neck. I think I really did. Oh. That hurts now.
Well, they
Getting
have,
old sucks.
they have your little massage parlors you can go to, I reckon.
I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3. No, don't let go. You killed me getting that far.
Okay.
Whenever I say 3, I'll push and you let go. All
right.
1, 2, 3. Oh.
Foot's off!
Oh. There we go. Okay, we're over the hard part.
Made it.
All right, you can go to the left a little bit more. All right, straighten her up. All right, straight, left, turn left a little. You're far away from that chain.
Okay.
All right, that's in.
All right, we're in.
Redneck wheel chock being engaged.
Okay, we're good.
Yeah, it really hurts. I think I really did pull my neck. Getting old sucks. It really does.